Hey guys, so today we are going to do tacos from Roblox. And if you like the tacos, comment I like tacos. Okay, so first, if you press T, it is the tacos. Wait, let me try it again. Now it should work. Yes. So if you press T, it's taco, and if you say, and if you type, and if you press A, it will gonna say Taco Bell. Now if you type, now if you press C, it will gonna say taco using its speech.
Tacos.
Now if you do the O, something special gonna happen. It's raining tacos, among the sky. Tacos, won't you help? But this is raining. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Among the sky. Tacos, won't you hear? This is raining. It's raining tacos. Okay. Now see you later. And this is taco background.